Hey, bro, slide. Look at your slide.
Hey, which one it is? I get a wish.
I don't get anything.
Fix your mask, fuck. Yo, this gotta be it.
They messing like a motherfucker. They got the stitching all wrong on this bitch. And they got the, y'all hear that?
Somebody come.
Grab that! Chicago don't play fair. You get close, then they waiting at the back door.
Packaging this shit the same way, fuck.
They put my shit in the garbage bag. I'll never do no shit like that. Motherfuckers gonna find out once word get out though.
Like nothing happened.
But it did happen. They got our shit. We need to go and get our shit back.
We gotta move smart. Stay ahead. It's the only way we gonna win. Man.
We can rob motherfuckers too. That's a win-win. We gotta move as a unit. I need my motion back, and I'd be damned if I go to jail over some clothes.
Some motherfuckers forgot about Dre.
We gonna find them. Folks gonna lead us to exactly what we looking for.
Man, y'all out here partying early. Then they loop me in. What's to y'all?
We needed it quiet. That's why.
Hey, perfect timing.
Bro.
What's the word to them tickets to your show?
Bro, we'll talk about that later, man. I heard last night y'all had some action. What's going on?
So what they saying?
That was bold as hell by y'all. What y'all see?
I ain't just faking no more. They packaging this shit like pros. Flood the whole rack with that bullshit.
I got me standing up. Ain't off for me to see. Everybody sitting down and shit. Come on, man.
Here you go.
Kids for nigga tickets.
We gotta play chess, not checkers.
Good thing. Let's play. Just know this ain't no street level. Somebody moving like they got funds out there.
Dre ain't got no damn money.
Man. Shit.
Check it out. How you always know everything, but you never around?
I mean,
Exactly. Folks coming around with information and shit like he got spies everywhere.
hey. I move. Don't mean quiet. Man, anyway, where it is, the people behind that fake drop ain't regular, they ain't sloppy, and they ain't locals.
You heard anything about Dre?
I've been asking. Some say he ducked off. Ain't nobody heard nothing from him since the last time y'all pressed him. But I'm on it. Give me time. Somebody always talking. You just gotta know where to listen.
Just hit my line as soon as you hear something solid.
Bro, say less. I don't know what y'all finna do, but I'm finna get me some food. You vid? But let me up, man. Get the door. This
You
is all
got
these young
hands?
people, man. Y'all don't no respect.
You got that nigga gone. Wealth ain't just clothing, man. Come back twice as hard, man. Wealth is a movement.
The real ones gonna stay loyal. The way motherfuckers been blessing the city, about time they bless us back.
It don't matter if it's wealth, they just want it. It don't even matter if it's ours or not. They just want wealth.
Fake and stolen at that.
As long as we stay steps ahead at all times and stay the fuck out of jail.
Ain't no stopping us, gang. We lit.
Look at this shit.
That's out west, ain't it?
That's out west, bro.
They moving close. Just say the word.
Not yet. They think we sleeping. Let's let them make the first move.
All right, folks.
This the trap? They got placement in 20 different stores. Sounds sweet, right? Look here. They want say on every single design. That's not a partnership. That's a leash.
No deal's worth giving up control like that. We trying to build the brand, not hand it over.
Then we do it your way. Slow, clean, and loud. Hit them where it hurts.
We play the long game. No shortcuts, no quick flicks.
I already started drafting the counters. Patents, trademarks, everything airtight. They try to squeeze us, we squeeze them even harder.
Good, because once we start, ain't no turning back.
Then let's make sure every step is calculated. No surprises.
Calculations ready.
And I have to slide on these niggas sooner or later.
Bro, you gotta calm your ass down, bro. We got shit that we need to do, folks, and you steady trying to move on this nigga.
If it weren't for him and P, we wouldn't be in this shit.
Hey, check it out, motherfucker. You can do whatever you do, but if you fuck some shit up for us, you gonna have to see me about it.